Uri muthenya wa keri wa kigomano kia arutani anene kiria kiri mwena wa Mombasa, muthenya wa mwanya Minister wa Githomo Amina Mohamed ni egwikinyitie kuruguria kigomano giki kumana na ciiko iria ikoretwo ikioneka macukuru-ini cia arutwo kunyamario. Minister uyu oya mweke guikia ihoya ria mwanya kuri arugamiriri aya a macukuru.
Help us protect your children. We have entrusted them to you. And as parent number one again, I want you to take that responsibility very, very seriously.
Akioria arutani kwaga gwitikiria arutani aria mari na mitugo ya kwananga ciana na mathukirie wira wao. Amina oho ni ahinyiriirie ati matigwitikira ciiko ta ici ithie na mbere.
We will not let you hurt our children, and I tell you, we will take whatever measure is required to ensure that those that belong elsewhere go there.
Nigukoretwo na wongerereku wa ciiko cia arutwo kunyamario macukuru-ini. Giko kia ica ikuhi ari kiria kiriga gwikika cukuru-ini wa airitu wa Moi guku Nairobi, kuria murutwo umwe wa muiritu anyitirwo kia hinya agithie gwiteithia utuku. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.